Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on your TCL 32V5C TV. To take a screenshot, you're gonna need to set up TCL services on your TV. It's done pretty fast and quick. I'm gonna try to explain it to you as fast as possible. So first of all, navigate to TCL Home application in the top right corner of your screen. Then open it, select sign in, and then the best way to sign in is using a Google account, since you probably have it on your TV already set up. So just select Google account, then select the Google account from this list, and then you'll be signed in. Now what you're gonna need to do next is open the apps menu and go to the Google Play Store on your TV once again and search for the Magic Connect application. Which we are gonna need. So just search for Magic or Magi. Most probably you will find these applications. So here you can find two identical apps at the beginning of the search results. Now the TV app services is not something that we need. What we need is the Magic Connect TCAS TV services. Just install this application, and while it's being installed on your smartphone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, open either Google Play Store or App Store and find the TCL Home application. Download and install it, then open it. Then what you're gonna need to do is, give me a moment, open this app and select your region from the list by tapping right here and selecting your region. Then select Google to quickly sign into your Google account, the same one that you have on your TV. On your TV, once the Magic Connect app is installed, what we need to do is open it. Then click select several times. Next, OK. At this point, we can forget about this app. So just return to the home screen, and now on your smartphone, we're gonna need to connect it to the TV. So swipe down the control center of your smartphone and make sure that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. On your TV, you can check the Wi-Fi network in the settings menu, in the network and internet settings. So in my case, this network is the same both on my phone and my TV. So right now what we need to do is select TV tab right here at the bottom of the application on our smartphone, and then tap on the TV icon in the top left corner of the screen. If you're done everything right, if you installed the Magic app application on your TV, you're gonna find the smart TV on the list immediately. Then tap connect to connect to your TV. You can change its name and the room for it, then select enjoy. And now you can use your smartphone to take screenshots on your TV. So let's return to the home tab right here, then select smart TV. Then here select, you can select screenshot, and whenever you select screenshot, the screenshot will be, the screenshot of the current screen will be taken on your TV. So as you can see, here it is, the screenshot of the current screen. Now we can save it by clicking save right here, and it will be saved to our downloads folder. I'm not sure if it's gonna immediately show in our photos album. Yeah, right here. Here it is in the Photos app. And so this way you can basically screenshot anything on your TV. So let's open some kind of application. Let's return to the TCL Home app on our smartphone, tap screenshot, and as you can see, the screenshot is successfully taken. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.